So please write Gardner and his colleagues. Of course, he was working with Linton others. ठीक है. So इनका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है थोड़ा सा अलग अलग है. लिंटन जो है कोवर्ट एंड ओवर्ट कोर पेरिफेरी बेसिस पे बात किया है एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेसिक पर्सनालिटी टाइप. ठीक है. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस रेयरिंग प्रोसेसेस जो है कॉमन होता है. सो कॉमन प्रैक्टिसेस की वजह से कॉमन पर्सनालिटी, कॉमन रेयरिंग की वजह से कॉमन पर्सनालिटी आता है, उसी को ये बेसिक पर्सनालिटी कह रहा है. उसके बाद ही आल्सो सेज दैट कि सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल कंडीशंस, जैसे कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं, they are also the reason behind this personality development and religion politics वहां पर जो है उस बेसिस पे भी चेंजेस आते हैं. so that he is saying कि मतलब they are the variations. जैसे बेसिक पर्सनालिटी एक है, उसके बाद ये सारे एक्सटर्नल्स जब एक्ट करता है that leads to diversified personalities. अदरवाइज सबका कोर पे सेम पर्सनालिटी दिखेगा which he is calling it as basic personality. ठीक है. प्लीज राइट. क्या लिखा है? हाँ, Gardner and his colleagues argued that religion and politics are screens onto which the basic personality we'll understand what is this basic personality in a moment. Basic personality orientation of a society is projected. Next point में लिख लीजिए. He introduced the concept called basic personality प्लीज राइट. इसमें व्हाट इज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिक पर्सनालिटी क्या है? सी, हम किसको बोलते हैं बेसिक? मतलब विच इज यूनिफॉर्म, विच कैन बी सीन इन एवरीवेयर. इसको बोलते हैं कि ये बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ही सेज कि बी इट वॉट एवर मे बी द सोसाइटी, बी इट कंटेम्पररी और एंशिएंट, और बी इट प्रिमिटिव सोसाइटी, कॉम्प्लेक्स सोसाइटी. सो कुछ रेयरिंग पैटर्न्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन जो है they are common. So अगर common practices of rearing is there, that must lead to a common personality. That component of the common personality is calling it as basic personality. Simple. जो common practices of rearing के वजह से common personality सबके अंदर होता है, उसको ये कह रहा है कि basic personality. So please write according to him, मतलब according to Gardner, in a given culture there is some kind of uniformity in child rearing practices, therefore individuals brought up with the same rearing practices must have a common personality which he is calling it as basic personality. इसका मतलब है कि इसके अंदर देर आर सेवरल फंडामेंटल traits which are common to everyone, so that is giving rise to a basic personality. This is the concept. Now क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि मतलब क्वेश्चन उठा सकते हैं कि if it is so, why there are so many variations, why the people's personality is so diverse? So that is where he was giving other things into things. ठीक है, so यहां पर देखो, next please write. In his book Psychological Frontiers of Society, in his book Psychological Frontiers of Society, he said that since all people are product of same socialization process, hence they share a common personality, full stop. This common personality is determined by primary social institutions, such as family, kinship, etc. Family, kinship, etc. So according to him, primary social institutions lead to formation of a basic personality, or we say, what is that word we have used exactly? Basic personality is okay, fine, ठीक है, और common personality, ठीक है, basic personality. This is the reason behind it, but at the same time variations को भी he was addressing. Next point में लिख लीजिए, however the interactions with secondary social institutions, such as types of political organization, religion, economic organizations, etc. इवन एजुकेशन भी बोल सकते हो आप, ठीक है, etc. are determined by, ऐसे लिख लो, are determined by basic personality which bring changes in the overall personality, समझ में आ गया चेंजेस कैसे आया है, इतना डाइवर्सिटी कैसे आया है, what he was suggesting. सेम इस फ्लो चार्ट को डाल दो in your notes. Primary social institutions, they lead to basic personality, which is common in everywhere, because primary social institutions जो है, they are universal, they are found everywhere, and to some extent उसके अंदर जो rearing patterns वगैरह जो होता है, they are common everywhere. As a result of it, you are getting this common personality. Now once the common personality comes, these are the persons which determine the nature of the second institutions. मतलब how, say, we talk about family as a primary institutions, which is coming from marriage, but the nature of a marriage, how the marriage is going to happen, marriage institutions में जो variations जो है, they are determined by the individual persons, उनका individual cultures. As a result of it, secondary social institutions जो है, they get diversified. You get so many different types of secondary social institutions. Now इसको follow करते हैं. As a result of it, basic personality में कुछ changes आ जाता है, that leads to overall personality, which leads to that diversified personality. ठीक है। सो यहाँ पर देखो मतलब लिंक भी कर रहा है कल्चर, पर्सनालिटी एंड देन कल्चर एंड पर्सनालिटी, मतलब कल्चर डिटरमाइनिंग पर्सनालिटी, पर्सनालिटी डिटरमाइनिंग कल्चर एंड देन फाइनली पर्सनालिटी मॉडिफाई, लिंक दोनों साइड से बना रहा है। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द कांसेप्ट गिवन बाय कार्डनेयर। अब बताइए इसमें कोई डाउट है? कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? ये वाला बना लो एंड इसमें अगर कोई डाउट है तो बताइए। बाकी जो है लाइक द कंट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ लिंटन एंड कोरा डू बॉय we will cover in the next session. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. So now I hope till here all the points are clear. If you get any doubts, so please put it in the comment box. I'll definitely address them. Okay, so that's it. See you tomorrow with the continuation of the topic and going into neo evolutionism. Okay, bye everyone, good night, take care.